GMC Sierra Silverado. Battery pack. If you get into an accident and your seatbelt blows or any of the airbags, this is what you have to do to get it back up and running. And this is why every car will get totaled out, because there's a fuse located in here, which is a part of this, and you got to get to it. You got to take the battery down, open it up, take it apart, then you'll be able to replace the fuse, put it all back together, close it, seal it, and then put the battery back in the vehicle as well afterwards. We've got 2 layers of batteries here. Top layer, then we have another lower layer. This is what's involved.